Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be introducing the long-awaited G91 Pro from BLU, and I am a long supporter of the company BLU. Definitely want to thank every last one of you who has supported me. I truly appreciate that. Do me a favor, hit the like button on your way in. We're going to go ahead, and I would greatly appreciate that. We're going to go ahead and unbox the BLU G91 Pro. So, right, this device is going to be very good. It's going to be the follow-up to the G90 Pro, the phone that they did most recently release, right? BLU has been a company that releases everything for us. They give us some really good specs. So this is going to be no exception. We get the G90 processing chip, which is a MediaTek Helio G90 processing chip clocked in at 2.0 gigahertz. And we're going to get into the unboxing. I don't want you guys to wait too much longer. And it's also very hot because the lights are on me, so I definitely want to speed this up. But it comes in the moonstone and the graphite color, as well as the 6.7-inch Full HD plus display, 1080, and with the infinity dot display on the front. And we also do get a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel Samsung GM1 sensor inside of it, as well as 115 wide angle, right? So we do get that wide angle camera. We also do get the 16 megapixel front selfie camera, 128 gigabytes of internal memory storage, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So the cool thing is we will get Android 11, and we also will get 4K recording. So this is going to be really cool. And we're also going to be checking out some earbuds, which give you 6 hours of battery life, 18 with the case, right? And they're also going to be giving you an aluminum housing as far as that goes. So let's just go ahead and check this out. I'm going to just go ahead and open up this box. All right, so I wonder what is in here. It smells brand new. It smells really good. Like a fresh smell to it, which is a brand new smell to it, brand new. And let's go ahead and just see what comes inside of this thing, right? So, okay, so it does have a flip open tab, and this isn't the normal this isn't like the normal unboxing experience that you would get, right? This is like a package that the BLU company did send out to me. So I just want to say I'm extremely grateful for one of you watching. I'm also extremely grateful for BLU Mobile, the company. So let's just go ahead and see what comes inside of the box. So it says Life Innovated at the top, right here at the very top of here, which is really cool. And then it also does say from Miami with love. And I don't know if you guys can see that. So I truly appreciate BLU, right? I extremely appreciate this company for supporting the channel, right? So let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. First, let me just kind of turn it this way so you can kind of see what we're getting here. And you can see that, right? We do have some stickers right here, which look really good. The design team did a really good job with these, right? We also have a coffee mug inside of here. So definitely am a big fan of drinking coffee in the morning. It says it makes bold moves. So that's pretty cool, right? And then we do get the Aria Pods, right? These are gonna give you 18 hours of battery life with the case as well. On a single charge, you get 6 hours on each earbud. So we're gonna get these in the bundle as well. And we're also gonna be getting a second pair, right? These right here say, we have the Aurora Plus and we have the Aurora Pod. So there's two different models. So just keep that in mind. And let me just see, the specs are a little bit different, right? So this is the biggest difference on each earbud. Bluetooth 5.1 on the Plus, Bluetooth 5 on the regular one. And then as far as music time, this is the huge difference. We're getting 6 hours with the Plus, 3.5 hours with the Pod. So that's going to be the main difference. And also the charging case is going to be the same. And we do get a metal design with the Plus versus just the regular plastic design. But I'm going to unbox these in a separate video as well. That's what we get in the box, as well as the G90. And then they did put a t-shirt. Wow, this is crazy. This is nuts. They did put a t-shirt in here, and this is brand new from Miami. And just take a look at this, guys. Just take a look at this. This is a really good t-shirt. Has the Miami colors on there, BLU logo. It's like a really cool t-shirt. So I'm gonna definitely be sporting this t-shirt, right? I'm definitely gonna be wearing this, repping blue with my coffee mug, my sticker. Oh wow, so we do get a note. We do get a personalized note. This is handwritten, check this out. Dear Serrano, we hope you love the G91 Pro as much as we do love Blue. And I truly appreciate Blue. I've been rocking with these guys before they knew me, before we knew each other. I just saw them, immediately fell in love with some of their budget devices, right? And you know, it's been a great relationship ever since for both partners, right? So me as a consumer and them as a brand. So I just been supporting them as a brand. And you know, this isn't like paid or anything. I'm not getting paid to say this. This is coming straight up from a true fan of Blue products, right? So this is the box right here, and that's pretty much everything that we do get inside of here. So I want to unbox this first initially and just see what we get. We just unboxed the small box, the big box, but this is just going to be the big box unboxing, and then I'll get into everything else that comes in to the G91 in the next video. But I definitely wanted to give Blue a shout out for sending this out. We're gonna definitely unbox all three of these in separate videos, but I just wanted to show you guys the special unboxing package here. But yeah guys, I definitely think this is really sick. I really think you guys who are Blue fans will enjoy the new lineup that Blue has to offer. I think that the G91 Pro has some really good features, but stay to make sure you guys subscribe right now if you're not already subscribed. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure you stay to the next video, because I'm going to be unboxing the what we see in here. We do get the Aria Pods, we do get the Aria Pods Plus, and we do get the G91 Pro as well. So those will be separate videos, but I truly appreciate you guys for staying locked in with me. And if you're new to the crew, do me a quick favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button, as well as the bell icon on your way in. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. I'm gonna get right back with you later, crew. Peace.